Hello, my name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at part number TPU78TL. This is your 7/8 by 9 inch lock nut. Let's take a look at it. So this is part number TPU78TL. This is your 7/8 by 9 lock nut that you would use with your equalizer bolts for your 2-inch wide slipper springs. So you can see it's a lock nut right there. And I'll measure it out real quick. So the OD is going to be 1.28 inches, and the ID is going to be 0.78, so 7/8 of an inch. This nut is used in conjunction with the TPU78-434 bolt that's used on the Equalizers for the 2-inch wide slipper springs. So you'd have your bolt, and then you'd have your nut that locks into place right here. So if you need these guys, you can get them at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.